Stratified squamous epithelium. So far we've looked at simple layers, simple squamous. Remember I said they look like fried eggs to me. Simple cuboidal, squares or cubes. They look like pearl necklaces when create a tube. Simple columnar, my fingers. And now we're on to stratified squamous epithelium. Remember, stratified means 2+ layers. As we start to learn the integumentary system first, we cover stratified squamous epithelium when we're talking about the epidermis. So this top layer or superficial layer of the skin, the epidermis, that's the layer. The type of tissue is stratified squamous epithelium, one of our types of epithelial tissue. To me, it always just like a nice pink purple ribbon. So if I expand on this, just this purple ribbon here is my stratified squamous epithelium. Deep to that, this is all getting into the dermis, which is the layer deep, and this is all two types of connective tissue that we'll cover later once we start connective tissue. So that ribbon, if I expand on it here, this is magnifying it from here up. This is my superficial layer of the skin where I can touch its stratum corneum. And that's where you can see that it's literally stacking of cells. And I just go by the appearance and know my order. As this dark purple ends here, this is my basal surface, which means as I go up, this is my apical surface. So stratified squamous epithelium, that nice purple ribbon. If I magnify it more, this is the end at that basal surface. Deep to that is my underlying connective tissue, but this is all stratified squamous epithelium. Just a nice purple ribbon. So just learning the terminology, the layer, epidermis, type of tissue, stratified squamous epithelium. Why is it stratified? For that protection.